Welcome to a run through of the InsurAce V2 app. I've come to the first page of our website to get started in www.insurace.io. Always make sure that you check the domain name correctly first. At the top of our website, you can find our link to our web app, which takes through to app.insurace.io. On the V2 of our app, you can see an updated UI interface. You can toggle between light and dark modes and scroll through for a very clean version of our app since our launch a year ago. It's great to be able to introduce this and improve lots of our features, as well as add some new exciting features on top. So what we're going to do is start off with, we'll go and connect our wallet. As you can see, you can choose between any of the 4 networks we're deployed to: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, and we support a whole host of leading wallets in the Web3 space. I'm just going to connect through BSC and MetaMask for speed needs. Now, as soon as you connect, you are brought to a dashboard. In fact, we'll start by disconnecting and we'll go through the app without that. So without connecting the wallet, you have the option to look at the prices of different covers. And obviously to do that, you would need to connect your wallet. And you can see what is available. We are now covering 20 different public chains and over 140 different protocols. So you can either scroll or search by chain and search your favorite protocol, or even by risk type, our main ones being smart contracts or stablecoin DPEG risk. So you can find available products in that way. Now, at the very top again, we're going to look at the mining tab. This is to check out our current APYs and staking with us. Again, we have different chain options and therefore different APYs on different tokens. So there's a broad range of different tokens that can be staked into the InsurAce app. We also have our governance mining for the Insure token to be used for voting and claims governance, as well as a guide on liquidity mining through Uniswap. On the next section, you have the claim records, and which takes you to a new page. These are records based on previous claims that you can review and have a look through on the action button here. Back in the main app, we also have claim reports, which ties directly into our inbuilt data page, and our previous claim assessor pages. Our bridge allows you to bridge over tokens between any of the 4 chains that we're deployed to between each other. So you get one insure to one insure with some minimums and a very small fee that is calculated on top. Our data page, our brand new data page, is more powerful than ever. It shows you can filter by chain. It's give you great in-depth data information that you can review. Everything to do with protocol covers, policyholders, at least the raw records anyway. And you can also check down through the mining tab, which will show you staking data. The staking data is just as enhanced, and also you can download the mining records and raw records for any of these, either cover records or mining records. Same goes for claims. You can see any active claims, previous claims, paid out claims, and our bridge information as well. So the data page is a really strong part of our app now. It's the most transparent data app out of any risk protection protocol in the space, and there's plenty of information to get dug into. Or you can visit the raw records to export any of the information that you wish to check out. Going back to the main app, we can look at the DAO page. And the InsurAce DAO is where votes can take place. So please do take your time to review the DAO, understand the minimum requirements to be able to propose any changes or any governance, and then how those votes are calculated, and how that makes any changes to the protocol itself. Further than that, we have our referral program. Referral program is all on chain, so when you connect your wallet, you'll be able to get yourself a nice referral code and referral link, all on chain. Then also we have access to our docs and our blog, and also a link to where to buy Insure. Now, once we do connect our wallet and we're connected, different pages will turn up. So, and immediately you have a dashboard. This shows your potential rewards on each chains that have been aggregated, as well as any open covers that you have, and any staked assets that you have. This also shows where you have the option to become a claim assessor and also to access the bridge more directly. Now, from here, you can also see your own records. You can see which covers you have available, which covers you have active. You can check out your rewards and also farm those rewards, as well as checking out your mining pages and any claims you may have live. On the buy covers page, once you connect your wallet, you'll have access to be able to purchase cover on any of the protocols that we list. Connecting the wallet, being able to add a referral code, and also access to the rewards, and being able to purchase cover for your assets in any of the products we have. Under your covers page, you'll be able to actually action claims. So if you have a claim to make on any particular protocol, this will now show live, and a very simple process will allow you to enter the information about your claim, submit the description and information, and then you can follow up with any further information to our claims email. This will create a claim, which will go to the governance and allow that to be voted on to potentially pay out. I hope you've enjoyed I hope you like any of the updates to our V2. If you have any comments or any suggestions, or you spot any flaws, please do reach out to us on our Telegram or Discord, or email us at contact@insurace.io. Thanks for watching.